Unit trusts can be a very important tool in your investment arsenal. Marked by your access to strong and diversified securities, you're able to benefit from the returns all at once. An investor with a moderate risk profile and $500,000 to invest may want to consider putting $250,000 in the money market fund, another $150,000 in the income optimizer fund, and $100,000 in the equities fund. The investor could also decide to change the allocation of funds depending on their unique comfort level with the risks associated with each unit trust portfolio. Suitability is what we underscore. Also, setting up a standing order to add, say, $50,000 to your unit trust portfolio monthly would benefit you, as purchasing units over time at different prices than doing infrequent lump sum purchases at one price will help you to take advantage of the highs and lows within the market. Using your unit trusts to advance your financial goals includes getting started, staying invested, adding frequently to the portfolio, and having a great relationship with your advisor. You can also use our NCBCM online platform to keep track of your unit trusts with the flexibility of purchasing and selling units. Get started today by visiting our website for further details.